This here is going to be a video on the new headlights that I installed on the Camry here. This is a 2016 Camry LE. It came with some halogen lights. Chances are, if you live anywhere in the United States, you've probably seen a car like this. So these lights are the ones that actually, gave a little bit of glow light here, but also, gave it a little character and everything. And I actually did installation, how to install this thing and everything on this product. You can check that out. I'll leave it in the description. But this is just a update video after having it for some time. I don't know how long actually. I'll put it up on the screen after calculating that. But I did come across some problems, and I'm going to show you guys that right now. So first of all, I'm just going to put the key in, and I'm going to put the car to a start position. Let's actually go outside. This is right now going to be on auto. As you can see, we have everything functioning. We have the LED lights and also the halogens on both sides. And then let's go ahead and turn this up. I think this one is going to be like daytime running lights. Same thing, because auto was kind of daytime running lights. Now let's actually turn this up to headlight. And when we come to headlight here, as you can see, we have this headlight on right here on the left side, right? And then this one actually doesn't work. The driver's side stopped working. So that's one problem. Now the second problem is the height of the light was very low. I actually had to take I think a 9 or 10 millimeter ratchet and kind of crank that up, and then play with the levels, and then I turned it up a little bit to a point where I could actually see things on the road. But these are very, very, very dim, and I would say these are probably quarter from what the factory lights used to be. So if you don't live in a crowded city, like let's say New York City or something, then you're going to be in a big problem. If you go out in the suburbs, even I live in Buffalo, so the streets are always lit here. But if I go anywhere in the countryside, even actually in the city sometimes, I do have problems seeing things. And if you're driving at night, that is very important. So that could be a big issue that you might face. So make sure you take that into account too. Overall, the lights look pretty good, and they are, I've got a lot of compliments on them, but honestly, I kind of do regret putting these lights on, to be honest, right now. I might even go back to the OEM or maybe look for a better alternative. But when I was buying these headlights, I was actually doing some research, and it looked like that you can't actually change the bulbs out, if they burn out or something. So I might have to trash this whole thing and get new ones. But if I do have to get new ones, I'll just put the OEM ones back on instead of dealing with this. The OEM ones lasted well. Nothing happened to them to begin with, so it would last a long time. It just sucks that these cars are coming up with plastic headlights and they just don't even last. This is a 2016 model, and the plastic is already fading away, which is a shame. But honestly, if you work with some sort of restoration and protectant, just to keep the lenses clean, protected from UV rays, I think these will last forever. I've never had even a problem with changing light bulbs. Even the factory light bulbs are still in the OEM ones, so it's fairly obviously Toyota stuff is always reliable, and the light already being so dim, now I have one less headlight to deal with. This is going to become a problem, so I'm obviously looking for a solution fast. Whatever update happens, either I'll leave it in the description, or whatever update happens from this point on, I'll obviously leave it in the description or put an updated video about it. So make sure you guys follow up with that. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.